Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Dhaundiyal and I'm a Professor of Strategy and Dean at Jindal Global Business School at OP Jindal Global University. I'm going to talk a little about design thinking and why it's important for organizations to adopt this methodology. In today's day and age, when organizations are grappling with newer entrants who are not only changing the rules of the game, but many a times coming up with a new game altogether that better addresses the needs and wants of the customer and their target group. It's imperative for organizations to stay ahead of the game, to constantly innovate, and to bring this mindset into their day-to-day workings and their DNA. And therefore, this is where design thinking method comes into the picture. Design thinking is an approach that enables truly extraordinary, innovative, and out-of-the-box solutions to a variety of different problems. It differs from the traditional problem-solving methods in a variety of ways. First of all, it's very solution-focused. And what that does is that it really enables truly innovative, out-of-the-box solutions. Secondly, empathy is a major ingredient of the entire process. And if you have that mindset, if what empathy does is it enables access to truly extraordinary insights into your target group that helps you come up and design solutions that target and address the problems in a much better way. Thirdly, design thinking approach enables solutions due to and involving prototyping. Now, this is prototyping, not the well-made workshop, prototypes, but these are very, initial prototypes, usually made by sticky notes, chart papers, your stationery, pen, paper, scales, in order to gather very initial and quick feedback from users, so that you can get solutions in a very rapid way. Design thinking is an approach that can help organizations come up with truly innovative out-of-the-box solutions, and it's high time that organizations adopt it at a large scale. Thank you.